Namar ka jingsha kynnoh klem nang rim ba ka sorkar Meghalaya ka shimlut da ka ram, ka myntri ka sorkar India ka bapet ya ka platingka ka Nirmala Sitharaman, kalawan sa Meghalaya ban pynshai hidala dik na bakipad ba kin omsotu bakla hakabaya day bat ka jing kynnoh. Kalaong ba ka sorkar Meghalaya kayo aban pindan kami ka pisa lingba ka jingkashan ka batip kum ka special assistance to state for capital investment lani ka saski hakabaya ka pisa la ay siya kijilla kum ka jingkashan. Kani ka mut ba ka jilla Meghalaya kayo ya kani ka pisa na kabentasan postnam bad ompat dan kam AA ban siyono. Shushu kani ka myntri ka sorkar India kala pynshai ba anda lakot kata ka san postnam madu bentip ba ka sorkar ha kata ka porkan ong penban ba omdan kam shu ban siyo ya kata ka pisa lani omdan kam ru ban siyo wat ya kasut. Kani ka jingkashan ya kijilla kasdang hadien ka jingsha lin shop hau kenyang jingpang COVID-19 ha ka ba myntri rang ba adu ka ri Narendra Modi ulaong. Kalong kabadon kam ban kershan ya kijilla kena bakin la ban penim bat penklan biang ya kayo kakot hadien ka jingsha kata ajur.
And this is, we repeat very often, SASKI funded. It is a state assistance, which are special assistance, which are being given for capital expenditure for the states. It means that you get the money for 50 years without having to pay any interest on them. And after 50 years, as was explained by the Chief Minister, what you get today and what the value of that money would be after 50 years is a different story. And whether at that 50th year, the government of that day would say, all right, it was given, it's taken as a grant, you keep it, we don't know. But we are not going to ask you to repay that, nor ask you to give any interest on that. Take these monies and build capital assets. Now, this started post-COVID, when Prime Minister Modi said, we should help states to revive after COVID. So the economy recovery is dependent on states' recovery as well. So no good if central government spends money on capital expenditure, but some of that should go to the states. And that is why from 2020-21, we are giving capital assistance to the states so that they can, without some portion of it comes without any condition, some portion comes with nudging the state to undertake reforms.